Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel where makeup is the passion and beauty is contagious. Today I'm going to be showing you my collection, well, my haul of my holiday hauls. Yeah, my holiday haul. So I want to start off with the shoes. And these are some of the shoes I picked up. Like these here. Isn't it just so pretty? I fell in love with these. And these here, duck boots, I guess that's what they're called. So then, end up with a pair like this. It's all black, it's showing black too. So, that's the detail of them. I picked up these here as well. The combat boots. Let's see. These here as well. My leopard boots. Let's see here. Goes all the way back to there. This lightning is bad. So I already owned a pair of these, but I moved and I don't know what happened to them. I just don't know what happened to them. They disappeared. So I had to pick these up. So I picked up a new pair to go with it. Let's see here. Then I picked these here up as well. All these shoes were on sale. And so my son is grown. I only have one child. So he's grown. I get to spend my money any kind of way I want, which I did when he was living here. But you know, I do so even more so. So I picked up these here boots. Look at the detail. Alright. This is it. And it says honey. Let's get it. I bought it extra large so that I can swim in it. Not actually like swim, but enjoy it. Then I picked up this here sweater as well. So I look forward to wearing these. So let's see. I picked up some more stuff. And one of those was this here Milan lipstick from Ulta. These here face razors. And this here. And this is from Morphe. I saw it at Ulta. So let me see about getting into this bad boy. I have so much stuff. I went ham, and I still haven't gotten everything I've ordered for the holiday. So there will be a part 2 to this, because most of my stuff is being delivered later on today and tomorrow. So, alright, let's open it. Big ass palette. Hold on. It seems like it wants to fall. Yeah, everything is trying to fall because everything is so. I have so much stuff. Everything is literally trying to fall. So that's what this palette looks like. Alright, let's see if I can set this down somewhere. Rid of the box. So I also ordered an iPad. The what is it? Generation 6. Yeah, Generation 6. So I picked that up. And I also picked up let's see here. Don't mean to give you guys the shaft. Alright. I picked up an iPod. It's iPod Touch. The 7th one. Okay, I'm having trouble with this stand. So let's set this down so I can get it. Oh my goodness, that hurt it. Oh! I'm going to do some serious cutting. Let's see here. Alright. The Ipod Touch 7th generation. So pick that up. Okay. So picked up this perfume also from Ulta. Jennifer Lopez. Promise. See if I can get into it one hand. I'm doing a good job. Alrighty. Alright, lid don't want to stay on. Defect, huh? Alright, this is what it looks like. I bought this sight unseen and, well, not so much sight unseen, but scent unseen or smelled. Let me spray it now. This smells delicious. It smells so good. Takes me back to my teenagehood. So this is Promise by Jennifer Lopez. Let's see what else came. There was something else that came with it as well. So for ordering her perfume, you got free headsets. And so this is what these look like. So this was gift for purchase. That's one reason why I wanted to try it out, because I liked the headphones from the moment I saw them. So I look forward to trying those out. Alright, so also I got this from Ulta, which is the Juvia's place, the Nomad. So I'm not going to open this up and show it to you guys because it's been seen on the internet several times already. So it do me no good to open it. So what else did I get from there? Oh yeah. Let me show my Ulta haul. I also picked up this here. And she look. This is what it looks like. So let me open it. Now I bought this here for my brother's girlfriend to thank her for cooking for me for Thanksgiving. We had agreed that we both would cater this year's dinner, since my sister-in-law has moved out to the Dallas area, and usually we would have it at my brother and sister-in-law's house, but since they moved, that means that everything fell upon me, and since I have fibromyalgia, I need help with everything I do basically. So I asked her to help me, and she said yes. And then probably like 4 days before we were to start cooking, I got word back that she was not going to cook and she was not coming to the Thanksgiving dinner. She never called to tell me this. Other people came and told me what she was saying, and I kept waiting for her to be a woman and come to me and tell me, and she never did. So I ended up having to get help to cook. I had to ask my little brother, who's dating her, to help me to cook, and ask my dad to help out, and my son helped out. So everybody basically pitched in to help me to get the Thanksgiving dinner on the table. And trust me, she didn't even show up, just like she said she would. Just like she said she wouldn't cook, she wouldn't show up. So I had bought this originally to give to her as a thank you gift for helping me. As you see, it's still here and it's not going to her, and I'm never going to give it to her. My dad tried to talk me into giving it to her, like, be a Christian and just give it to her, she'll feel bad. No, like hell she will, because she couldn't even face me as a woman to tell me she wasn't going to cook for Thanksgiving. So she ain't going to feel bad. So I guess this will be going to someone else. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I'm not for sure if I'm gonna do a giveaway with this here or with this here. So let me set this up so I can pull everything out. Now this too was a gift for purchase, but I don't need it. So let me see where I can place this. All right. Let me see if I can do this. I'm having a hard time here. Right, this is flat. There we go. Finally. Oh, this is my Google. No, is it? Hey Google. Yeah, it's my Google hub.
Okay, yes.
Isn't it nice? Like, watch this. Hey Google, YouTube, makeup.
Okay, here's YouTube.
Well, it shows some of the stuff I've been watching, which as you can see is crime stories. Alright. So let's see here. This is what's included in it. It comes with the lipstick, lip gloss rather, tinted eye primer. I guess this is lipstick. This here is face primer. We have some wipes. Mascara. And two last things, 2 brushes. I'm gonna go take them out. So this is what will be included. So I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold a contest. Well, not a contest. I'm gonna do a giveaway. And you have to be subscribed to me on Facebook because I don't do Instagram. So on Facebook and also on YouTube. And leave the word pink and what you think about my site so far, about my channel. And please make it be good because I'm not going to reward you if it's bad. So this is what will be given away. And as you see, it comes with a makeup case. So putting it back in there real good and tight. And set it aside for my giveaway. So let's see what else did I get. So I was on Sephora and I picked up the Play. Which now you don't have to be subscribed to get it. Thank goodness, because it wasn't all that great. But I wanted to try this here out. Let's see if I can get it open. Let's see. It's in a tight. Right. Let's see. This leg don't want to work with me. I'm trying to open it. Ooh, this bag smells good. Alright, so what we have in it is Julie Has a Gun, not a perfume. Also, Living Proof Perfect Hair Day, Triple Detox Shampoo. Let's see what else is in here. We have Drunk Elephant Makeup Melting Cleanser. I need this. I'm glad to have it. Clinique. Take the Day Off Makeup Remover. A little lipstick. Who does this? Bite. And last but not least, Claude. I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's serum, skin perfecting serum. So I picked that up from Sephora. Alright. So then I also got some more stuff. You see my table is crowded. Let's see here. Hey Google, exit. You see it? Exited. Alright, so I picked these here up from eBay. And these are the names, or how would you say, words, hairpin. And this one says Miss. Let's try to get better light here. What does this one? This one says Queen. This one says Babe. Bring that a little closer. Babe. Let's see. I got some more. So I picked these here up also. This one says Sorry. I can't read what this one says. This one says Kiss. Alright, what did this one say? Era.